How to make Gamepass and please donate. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Firstly, launch a Roblox in your device. Over here, you need to navigate to the More option. From here, select on Create tab. After which, you'll be head over to the Creator Hub of Roblox. Click on the three horizontal line and select on Creations. In here under Experiences, you need to tap on Your Place. Even if you are a new user, you will have your place in your Roblox, so click on it. After you are in here at the top, you will see a three horizontal line. You need to click on the three horizontal line. Under Monetization, you need to navigate to the option of Passes. Now in here, to create a pass, just tap on Create a Pass. You can change the photograph if you want to. In the name, you can write any of that you prefer. For an example, I'll be typing in please donate. Then you can add a little description of it. To monetize it, click on the three horizontal line. There you will see the sales option, where you'll be able to mark it as sale and also enter a preferred price. And that is how you'll be able to create a pass in your Roblox. And to wrap for the video as well, thank you so much for tuning in.